In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the current state of the NVidia A100 slicing in the GPU operator. So, at the beginning of this video, we'll already have the driver of NVIDIA loaded in the host and the container toolkit pod running. But at the moment, no GPU is visible in OpenShift. So if we have a look at the cluster policy that controls the GPU operator behavior, we see that it's configured to slice the GPU in three instances. And these instances will be published in mixed mode. So we run the GPU operator. And the first thing it will do is create a MIG slicing pod. So this MIG slicing is destroying any previously created instance and creating here the 3.1 we requested. Then the validation pod ran, the device plugin and its validation, and we see that the 3 slices have been exposed to OpenShift. And the GPU operator will run a last time to make sure that everything is in the right state. And it's done. So we can patch the cluster policy to expose the GPU in single mode instead of mixed mode. So this will trigger the GPU operator, which at the device plugin development state, it will notice that the strategy changed. So it will roll back the following states and then reactivate the proper ones. So we see that the mixed mode disappeared. The validation passed. Here it deployed the device plugin with the single strategy, and now the GPU is exposed in single mode with 3 GPU instances. So now it's done, so we can patch this time the mode of the GPU. So we're in single mode, so we'll expose 3 different GPUs, or maybe at the same time we'll put it back to mixed mode so that we can see clearly the effect of the patch of the slice. So in the driver mode, we can query the state of the GPU, we see that 3 slices are visible by the driver, but only 1 is exposed. That's surprising. And why did this one crash? Random error.